A brand new edition of One UI 6.1 has emerged over the weekend, offering us a sneak peek into what lies ahead for the Galaxy S24 series and even older Samsung phones in terms of exciting new features and improvements. The talk of the town here is AI, indicating that artificial intelligence is set to play a major role in these upcoming updates. An ex-user has generously shared a preview of One UI 6.1, shining a spotlight on 3 innovative battery protection modes. You can catch a glimpse of these features through shared pictures and screenshots online. For instance, WIGive Gaming posted 3 images on X, formerly known as Twitter. The leaks about One UI 6.1 are just starting to pour in. An ex-user, Bennett Bunner, has shared several screenshots unveiling new features of the Samsung Android 14 interface. It appears that this is more than just a minor update, especially considering the emphasis on artificial intelligence AI. Samsung is gearing up to reveal a plethora of information at CES in January, focusing on the theme AI for everyone. Following that, the One UI 6.1 update is slated to launch alongside the Galaxy S24 series, packed to the brim with AI features. The leaked pictures showcase how AI can be used to personalize wallpapers and quickly update the weather on the lock screen. If you've been keeping an eye on Google's Pixel 8, these upcoming features share a resemblance to what Google's AI experts already offer. With the Magic Editor, users can manipulate elements in photos, copy them between pictures, and enhance scenes with AI, adding appropriate content to the edges. AI can also magically eliminate unwanted reflections and shadows. In the future, Samsung Notes will leverage AI to assist with formatting and organizing. The leaked screenshots of One UI 6.1 confirm what Samsung had officially announced. In this version, calls can be instantly translated and video conferences can be enhanced by reducing background noise or filtering out distractions. Additionally, there's a feature to copy text from photos, although it seems this might be limited to certain Samsung apps. The question remains about which features of One UI 6.1 will be available on older Galaxy phones, such as the Galaxy S23 series. While many Samsung phones are likely to receive the new One UI version, it remains uncertain if all the mentioned features will be activated on these older devices. What are your thoughts on these exciting developments? Share your opinions below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.